Hey guys, it's me, The Noise. Before this video begins, I just want to let you all know that because the Flash theme's voices for me and the other characters of this video aren't working on Flash themes, I will from now on be making videos like this. So from now on, you will see videos of The Noise Gets Grounded in this format, okay? Good. So now, anyway, this video was originally planned to be uploaded and made on April 1st of 2025, and I'm sorry, I know it's a month late now, but from now on, videos of The Noise Gets Grounded will be made using this way. And so now we begin the video. On April 1st of 2025, hey, today is April Fool's Day, and today I want to play a very funny prank on my fellow people here in the tower. Today I'll be pulling the fire alarm here and making everyone here evacuate from the tower. So anyway, I'll be pulling the fire alarm now. Boop. Yes, the fire alarm is going off. Ha 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 ha. What's going on? Why is the fire alarm going off? Oh my god, I better leave the tower right now. Hey, what is that sound? Oh no, the fire alarm is going off from the tower. I better get out of here. Oh my god, what is that sound? Oh no, I think it's the fire alarm. I better get out of here now. Wah! Hey, Pizza Face, do you hear that? Yes, I do. It sounds like the fire alarm is going off in the tower. We better get out of here now. Wah! What happened? Why are we all out here? Where's the fire? There is no fire here. Yes, there is no fire. Wait, what? The noise. What? What do you mean? It was on April Fool's prank. April Fools. Ha 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 ha. What? The noise. How dare you play an April Fool's prank and make us escape the tower? You know that the fire alarm should only be pulled under the case of a real emergency. That's it, the noise. You are grounded, 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 grounded. For 28654321793784613729384733651 284365365393837936538357927 million billion years. That's it. Let's all go back inside right now, and you will go to floor 3 right now and stay there forever. Wow.